like you said. Alright, so like I told you, after that you take it to get an estimate. I done did that. Like I said, you won't see a scratch on the front end. So, because I didn't hit the person in front of me who stopped kind of strangely where you don't normally stop. Alright. See all that? That's where she hit me. I know. Right here, right? Definitely, right? It's separated from the bumper, right? And see, now I gotta go through some more rehabilitation. See? Now the seams, like I said, on most vehicles are usually seamless, right? They're brakes, right? So you can see where I was hit. So you see a little dent here. It is the whole point. Moocher. You calling me the moocher, huh? We know who the real moocher is here. Two wrongs don't make a right anyway. And again, you're not my doctors. And again, you have a higher and mighty attitude of yourself. Like, this ain't almost criminally crazy. You know, a disabled person who can't work because of mental illness still ain't the same, Mariah. As someone who's not mentally ill, pretending they are. You do know. That's what I would hope you would understand by now. I don't know what y'all doing in New York or Hollywood, but fakery only goes so far till you get caught. That's the doctors on WTGS right there. Alright.